You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, a name from Romanian. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to hear. Mircea, the Romanian pronunciation here is as Mircea, Mircea. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Mircea, Mircea. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.